Hi guys, I got another release special booster version 1.0 display because I really love this set and, well, I really want Beelzemon and the alternative art Kentauros card. And I'm gonna share it with y'all again because, honestly, at this point, why even stop? So let's see if I'm lucky today. And the alternative art special card is Kari, which is nice because I think I got Joe last time, so at least it's not a duplicate. Okay, I think here I'm only missing Garurumon because I already have the other two possible sets. But I really doubt that I'm that lucky. And I hate those things. Oh! Okay, I didn't say anything. With that I have all three possible sets of the promo cards. Nice. Then let's start with the boosters. I'm just gonna mix the packs a little bit. Okay. Let's see what we got. Kabuterimon, Metal Tyrannomon, Gravity Crush, Piximon, Garurumon, Hagurumon, Kudamon, Labramon, River of Power, Kurizarimon, Skullgreymon, oh yeah, that's a rare card, and Cupimon. And in the Omnimon booster we have Agumon, V-Nova Blast, Metal Greymon, Tyrannomon, Leamon, Heat Viper, Armadillomon, Devimon, Monmon, Looking Back on the Good Times, Mood, Metal Tyrannomon, and oh yes, that's the alternative art version of Rosemon, which we have here. Oh, that's really nice. Let's see what the Diaboromon pack brings us. Gilmon, Heat Viper, Caesarmon, Piximon, Golden Ripper, Gabumon, Lyolmon, Digimon, Ver1.0 Groundramon, Upamon, and another Metal Tyrannomon. Muchomon, Atomic Ray, Impmon, Pumpkinmon, Volcanic Dramon, Smashed Potatoes, I love this card name, Agumon Hakase, Kirinmon, Mega Kabuterimon, Kiaramon, another Upamon, and Piedmon. I also did not have this one yet, so nice. I hate him so much though. Gorillamon, Nitrate, Elecmon, Kapurimon, Goblimon, Vegimon, Forbidden Temptation, Saberleomon, Woodmon, Magnadramon, Tyrannomon, and Gabumon. And the last pack for this part. Elecmon, V-Nova Blast, Agumon again, Toy Agumon, Numemon, Hornbuster, Tsukaimon, Myotismon, Lodaleomon, something shiny, Normal Leomon, Ikakumon, and Rust Tyrannomon.